Hi everybody and welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your Bluetooth pairing issues for the TCL MoveAudio S200. So at first we need to go to settings and then connect devices. On the iPhone we have to enter settings and then Bluetooth. On the Android phone, scroll down to connect preferences and tap Bluetooth here. Disable Bluetooth on both devices and close the case lid. After 10 to 20 seconds, open the case lid back again and turn on Bluetooth. It should work now. If it isn't, you have to do a hard reset. To know how to do a hard reset, check our channel because we have a video for that. If it still doesn't work, you have to contact the device support. It's because your device may be broken. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.